I'm Lori Halloway, known as the Meticulous Manicurist on YouTube and an expert in the field of nail technology, specializing in pedicures. Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to remove an ingrown toenail during a pedicure service. This is a very necessary process to learn, and you should not feel timid about doing it. Today you're going to meet a client of mine who's been having discomfort in his big toes for months. He had a lot of great questions, and I explained what's going on with his toenails during the service, so I left the original audio in for you to learn from. So stay tuned. Okay, so this is the deal.
Yeah.
So some people have a very arched toenail, and some people have more flat toenails. So if you have the arch combined with a really deep nail wall and a nail groove where the toenail grows up the toenail,
Looks like it's separated.
yeah, and then it starts to push down in, and if your toenails get too long, they'll start to curl and go inwards. So that's what's sore right there.
Do I have arch or the flat?
Yours are a little bit arched, and then as you do a lot of walking and stuff,
Yes.
the skin pushes up like this, and then it starts to kind of squeeze, and it'll make it callous inside there because the nail rubs against the skin, and then the skin's trying to protect itself, and so it'll start to build up a callus.
It gets irritated.
Yeah, so you'll see there'll be little layers of skin that I'll pull out. You'll see it, yeah. And then we'll file this dead skin off and cut it a little shorter. And then when you go to bed at night, put a little bit of Vaseline on it for about a week until it softens up some, and it'll be fine.
I'd hate to think it would hurt worse than what it has been for the last
Does your
month.
toe bend? Yeah. Okay, just relax your toe. I'm gonna push it down a little bit so I can see it. Yeah, so you'll get this, you got like a little hook on the end of your toenail. So we're
Is it
just gonna
ingrown
snip it off. Well, it's not infected, but you've got this little like hook. So you cut that off, and then it'll stop digging into this little part right here. So then this stuff dissolves the dead skin. So anything that's dead will turn white. And I know that I can cut that off.
Oh, you cut it off.
Yep.
I thought maybe in the shower.
When you get out of the shower, if you take a towel and rub it really hard, it'll get off a lot of the dead skin, so it won't build up. But you do have to actually rub it. Yeah. Does that hurt?
No. If it's going to hurt, probably it'll be the other two.
Okay. So see, I don't know if you can see from there, all of this white skin.
Right.
So I know that's
Oh,
dead.
yeah.
I can scrape that off.
It seems like
It's not. And then these little layers.
Can you tell how many months, years the buildup has occurred?
No, Okay, so watch this. I'm gonna pull this out.
pulling the skin out or that
Yep,
hook?
skin. I already cut the hook off.
Yeah, alright.
Yeah, but there's just a little buildup. Gotta get out my...
A couple of weeks ago when I was in, we were sure busy that day in terms of people. I didn't realize you had so many people using chairs or
Was it a Thursday?
I didn't have
Probably was a Thursday.
but I think there were 5 or 6 people.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a lot of people that work here. They just all work part-time.
Well, that's good, I think, for everyone.
I mean, they have families and
What time did you want me to rinse you?
at 10 after.
Oh, thanks. What are the licensed professionals here? Sit quiet.
See that little thing?
I do.
I just got that out of there. And then there's a little piece right there. You see that?
Yeah.
I'm lifting that up right there.
Oh my God.
So we gotta cut that off.
You're fearless.
Alright. So that should feel better.
Oh yeah.
Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to visit my channel. People like you are the reason for my success and I appreciate it so much. But remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for all the latest videos. Remember, it is free, and I'll see you next time.